Alright, perfect. We got our chat, live chat. Let's open this up. I'm going to go through my analysis throughout the day. Today was a really good day, so only Bill Hara showed you and I'll show you the trade I took. So, I'm going to go through my analyst channel. I also journaled this down, so you guys can see everything I took, or what my thought process was, real time. So, going into the day, I had to do my assignments, which I did do my assignments. I finished all of it. And I was thinking that we were going to have a higher time frame market maker sell model because we retraced yesterday. Having the retrace from yesterday was making me confident that we are inside of a higher time frame sell model, which I will show you right here. Boom, run up fair value gap, retrace, push lower, retrace, push lower, retrace. 4-hour fair value gap, which this is now an inversion fair value gap that we tapped into perfectly. We also had a unicorn right here that we also tapped into, so everything right here was telling me shorts. I was very confident in shorts, and this is my target for the day. We had fourth standard deviation plus a low that we need to run up. This had so much sell side liquidity, I knew as a fact we had to take it off. Oh, Bariki took the same short. Okay. Going on to where I took my short. I mean, yeah, for our busy, we're going to go look at the 5 minutes. So this is overall, in my opinion, this is a higher time frame sell model, which right here, I marked on my analysis, the unicorn, the higher time frame sell model, went over news. This is what I was expecting for the day. And as you can see, it was pretty close to what I wanted. And I wanted us to tap into fourth standard deviation, retrace, and then run out that low. That's what happened. And, ooh, I'll check out the PM setups in a bit. Oh yeah, we did. I wasn't able to see the PM, but I want to see as disrespect is, which when we close below, 2023 mentorship, ICT says, close below, high probability that this is going to become an inversion fair value gap. And this is where I took my shorts off the mitigation block. I was still respecting mitigation block. I took shorts off of it, stop and mean threshold, middle of the order block. And, oh, it was 1,500. Oh, it was 1,600. I thought it was 1,508. But, disrespect. Right here, this is our low risk short because right here, since we have a fair value gap, we use the wicks of our order block. And on the 5 minute, we have a fair value gap. So this is a high probability order block for our low risk short. So if we want to take, or if you want to just try taking these trades with low risk, right here, high probability order block with stop and mean threshold order block. And you'd, of course, be targeting fourth standard deviation or just low hanging fruit right here, or you could be targeting out this low. But I want to see more confirmation. I mean, this would be because we have a small 1 minute market structure shift. On the 5 minute though, when we shot through with displacement, after 9:30, I saw this mitigation block, fair value gap, high probability. And I just decided right here with this breaker, this is all going to be perfect for unicorn. Second, I mean, I'd say this is the first like distribution short that we took, and I held it all the way down to this low. So, first trade hit perfectly. And what I also want to see, I want to see fourth standard deviation, which I marked up because we also respected this really nice. I journaled this as standard deviation delivery. If you guys have my template for it. So once this got tagged, as you can see, we retraced perfectly. I know we retraced into a discount, but I'm not sure if it was OTE or anything. So I'm just going to give like a rough estimate. We did retrace into OTE, so that's really interesting. Of course, you always want to be scaling out, looking at the higher time frames. We didn't tap into that inversion. Small fair value gap right here, hourly. I don't really like using inversions too much. I feel like they give me more paralysis analysis than anything. And I'm just gonna go mark out what happened in the PM because I wasn't really here. I mainly just took a winning trade and I was done for the day. So when you win, I hop off. Anything else, I consider it, in my opinion, like, not for you guys, but for me, I feel like I'm over trading. So this is the time that we do not want to be trading during lunch. And when we got a retrace, I mean, right here you can see we ran up this high, these two relative equal highs, and then this is where instead of OTE I want to start looking for shorts. So once you have like a higher time frame narrative, writing this out, I think most of you guys know what I'd be looking for. We could be looking for a trade-off inversion, I mean fair value gap, wick. If you guys were gonna use a logic I had earlier for the low risk short, order block, fair value gap, right here, just take shorts off this first one, but that's way too risky because I'd be thinking we're going to be going higher. So of course I just want to wait for us to push lower, run through this low, and this is where I'd be looking for trades. Also, Breaky, where did you take your short at? Or yeah, where did you take your PM trade at? I want to see that real quick because I always want to see like a retrace into discount or something if I was looking for short. Running through this high, it's a good higher time frame narrative. Yeah, I stream him. inversion hourly. Oh, that's right. I should have been looking at higher time frame context. Which one? SMT from ES. We did also have SMT. I forgot to mention that. where's the time at? Right here. Right here. Yeah, this is Thursday. Okay. Right off the side. This is an SMT. Yeah, let me find it. Where's their SMT at? I'm mainly looking for one at the highs. I'll probably go on the 15-minute and look for it. Because I was using a more advanced concept. Okay, right here, right? A low, high, or higher high. Lower. Okay, lower high and higher high right here. So yeah, SMT looked good. Let's go right here. Did you take it off this one right here? This hourly inversion? Okay, yeah, I was using 15-minute too. Also, I think the thing's a little bit delayed. Okay. I mean, yeah, that's about it. Today was actually a pretty good trading day. High impact news, unemployment claims at 8:30. That helped me out today. I was pretty happy when I was able to see that. So, I mean, inversion for value gap. Bodies respected it. Wicks didn't, but bodies did. So, we're chilling. What else do we gotta do? I forgot. I guess I'm just gonna do some more journaling. My journal wasn't really filled out, so. Okay, perfect. Any questions now? Anything you guys want to go over? Just let me know. You can unmute, say anything, go for it. What makes a good inversion? Okay, Asta, let me go over that real quick. I want to talk about it. You can still ask your question, but I want to talk about high probability inversions. What makes a good inversion? Okay, inversion fair value gaps. What I want to see in an inversion, I want to see a fair value gap that was previously used to take out like a key reference point or liquidity, or I just want to see a respected fair value gap used as resistance. So let's look for something like that. Let's find a good example. Where would one be? Because I want to see it get tapped into. I don't really want to find a 1 minute example. I want to find something that's cleaner. So I guess we're going to look at the higher time frame. I don't have one set up right now. I did go over it yesterday in a video. So let's see if we have any type of range bound trading, where we had one that we tapped into. I guess we can use this. This is going to be a rough example, but hopefully, yeah, I'm just going to annotate a lot of stuff for what I wanted to see. So imagine we respect this and we go lower because of it, and we take out a low. Once we close above it, I want to be using it as support. I think that's the best way to go over it. It has to be respected previously if I want to use it as a good inversion. That's what makes a high probability. Tapped into, went lower. All the fib time zone settings. Yeah, I got you. I don't really use fib time zones anymore, but I can show you my settings from when I did use them. I don't really use the time and price stuff anymore. But between these orange lines, or this line right here, this is where you want to be looking for second leg redistribution, or you want to be trading or taking your entry inside of this. So if we had SMT with the SNQ right here, you'd want to be taking a trade off of that. I'm probably using the wrong 90-minute cycles. The number, oh yeah, the number is my bad. Yeah, here you go. 375 625 7681. Podcasting. Okay, have a good night. I don't really. I didn't ever really use it. You just throw it on. You just want to use it as like a fractal for your quarterly theory, and that's about it. It's not really anything that's too fancy. It's literally just the way I use it. Between the orange lines, you want to take a trade in between these orange lines when you draw them on the box right here. That's it. If I had historical cycles, I'd be able to give you a much better presentation, and yeah. I don't really use it too much anymore, and might be bullish. And yeah, Breaky, I am bullish tomorrow. I want a retracement, especially after running out these lows. I want to see a higher time frame retracement. I don't think we're going to go parabolic and start shooting lower. I want to go with more of an idea that we're going to have Friday as TGIF, and we're going to retrace. That's what I'm looking for. I wish I could give you guys a better inversion example, though. Like if we ran through this one, since this fair value gap is respected, this would be a really good high probability inversion. Color for the cube settings. Are you talking about this one? Oh, fib. Color. Got you. Right here. These are the colors. I'll take a screenshot and send it in. I don't think we have any more questions. I think we're chilling. None, right? Of course. Alright. I think everyone's chilling. Alright, if that's everything, then I guess if I order block. Okay, order blocks. I like to use order blocks whenever we, like immediately after doing something fancy. Not fancy, I mean like running out a high or where I'm expecting a reversal. So we're going to go over that real quick. Like for today, for example, Thursday. I'm just going to re-go over my thought process. And basically, order block, it's literally just up candle before a down move. I'd say that's the best thing. Or if you look on the higher time frame, the up candle before a massive down move that shifts market structure. Like this, for example, up candle in a downtrend. And bullish order block. Let's find a good example of one. 2 minis. Bro, 2 minis is way too much. You should be trading like 5 micros, max. Yeah, I'd be careful because 2 minis, I'd be trading 2 minis on a 150k account. That's what I trade. 25k, that's kind of dangerous, especially with how much you lose. I don't know. Because do you trade micros or minis? Because minis, that's crazy. Micros is good, but minis is just, oh, that's a lot. Yes, if is 2 minis good to risk on a 25k account. 20. Okay. I'll be careful, bro. That's kind of dangerous. That's dangerous territory. $150 max. So, do you have like a 4-handle stop loss or something? 5-handle? No, it's more than 5. It's like 6-handle stop loss, right? Yeah, it's like 6 or 7. I mean, if it's a part of your strategy, if you're trading more like TG or ICT Sun strat, like where you're mainly just scalping, I guess it's that. Yeah, one bad trade and it's over. That's what happened with Jasleen. She thought she was the best trader. Traded 1 mini and died. She lost her account. Order block, yeah, leg down. It's like just the up or down close candle before or against the trend. I want to use them at prominent highs though, or where I'm expecting a reversal. It's like I'd use them right here. It played out really well. I wouldn't really be looking for this. I only really use them for stop loss placement either. Two, because we never really violate mean threshold of an order block. Throughout all my plays, that's something I've refined my strategy to believe in. We never really reach back up into it if we have clear narrative. I always want to have mean threshold of an order block as a stop loss. And that holds true for every single entry. Yeah, it's not moderated. You guys can say anything you want. Alright, I think we're done with recap. Hey, you guys have a good night. We're gonna get big. Watch how far I take this. I'm gonna take this channel. Trading, everything good. Yeah, live recap. Hello, Strizzy. Hello, Strizzy.